Let's get into making our first single crochet. Now, point the crochet hook downward. Then insert it in this loop here. Now rotate it around, and then over the yarn, we're going to pull it through this loop. Now, rotate your hook back to its original position. Okay, we've got 2 loops on the crochet hook. We're going to yarn over one more time, then pulling the yarn through these 2 loops. Alright, point the crochet hook downward, rotate it around and over the yarn. Now lift the crochet hook, ensuring a slight angle between the hook tip and the loop, then pull the yarn through these 2 loops. Congrats, you've completed your first single crochet. Let's take a look at what it looks like. This V-shaped loop is your first single crochet stitch. Let's continue learning how to work a single crochet on a round piece. Pinch the bottom of the stitch you're going to work, insert the hook, so you have a total of 3 loops on your hook. Then, yarn over, pull it through that stitch. Yarn over again and pull it through the last 2 loops on the hook. This completes the single crochet.